Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Marvel Rivals smoother. First, let's cover some essential initial steps. Always ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. This can provide significant performance boosts. Next, close any background applications or overlays that might consume valuable system resources. Finally, adjust your Windows power plan to high performance to ensure your computer dedicates its full power to the game, which is crucial for a fluid experience. Now, let's dive into the in-game settings. Always play in full screen mode. This often reduces input lag and provides higher frame rates. For a major boost, enable NVIDIA DLSS or AMD FSR if your graphics card supports it, setting the super resolution mode to performance or balanced. Crucially, set global illumination, reflection quality, and shadow detail to low or screen space. Also, turn off VSync unless you are experiencing screen tearing, as it can increase input latency. Beyond in-game options, some system-level tweaks can make a big difference. First, enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling in your Windows display settings. This can reduce latency. Next, open Task Manager, find the Marvel Rivals process, and set its priority to high to ensure your system prioritizes the game. Lastly, navigate to the game's executable file, right-click, go to Properties, and disable full-screen optimizations for potentially smoother gameplay. To further refine your experience, consider lowering your in-game resolution if you still need more frames per second. A lower resolution directly translates to higher performance. For network stability, always use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi to reduce ping and packet loss. Finally, utilize the in-game FPS counter and network diagnostics to continuously monitor your performance and pinpoint any remaining bottlenecks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.